One of the things YouTube is good for is there's thousands of tutorials. Some are better than others. And I can look at a tutorial for 2 seconds and tell you if that's a good one or one that will teach you bad coding practices. The very fancy ones take a long time to do. I'm doing this in a one-shot thing, adding nothing to it. I like mine simple and to the point. Instead of building the finale all from scratch, I am going to open it. Well, here it is. Open. Yep, I'm going to leave the page. I didn't save any of this stuff. And it should have, where's it at? Attack of the Drones. Okay, well, where's my other one? Ah, here it is. I think I named it. It says cat input. This should really be cat finale. There we go. We're not going to share it, but we are going to file and save now. Make sure that it's saved. Project is saved. Now it has the right name, and I'll be able to get to it later. How does this thing work? We've created a very small video game. Start it up. We move our up cursor. The mouse goes up. We move our down cursor. The mouse moves down. Do you know how video games work? Every video game uses this same idea. 3D, 2D, doesn't matter. This is your first video game. You know a 10-year-old or a 12-year-old, have them build this. They'll be impressed. Well, if you play video games, you may be impressed too. Everything is done in Cartesian coordinates. X is this way, Y is this way. Starts at 0, positive, 0, positive. So here's our X position, Y position. These are common variable names for a game. If the up arrow is pressed, we change the Y position by 10, which means we add 10 to it, which means that the little cat's going to go down. So let's see if he goes down when I press the down arrow. Oh, by golly, he does. Look at there. But if you press too much, he disappears. If you hold your key down, and he'll keep moving forever. Notice down arrow. It says change Y position by -10. Well, of course. Cartesian coordinates and math. Math is everywhere. Remember all that algebra graphing that you were thinking was a pain in the butt? Yep. Math in video games, physics in video games, it's all there. And we do right arrow. And we do this, but notice we're just changing the variable here. How do we change the movement? We go to a specific XY position, use the changed variables to go there. This is, again, a very common input for a video game. So thank you, or you should thank me. You've already created the most simple video game ever known to man. If you try to market it, you might be disappointed because this is a simple video game. Imagine if you're playing something like, I don't know, game names, Drone Wars or whatever, and they sell it for $40 a piece. Well, there's millions of lines in code in that. Well, there's our Scratch to Python bridge. After you've done this, hopefully this gives you a visual representation that can go through your head. You can take almost any of our Python programs and put it in here. You know, if you have a little, son or daughter that likes this stuff, or a friend or whatever you're babysitting, teach them how to code. That will keep them busy and give them a future career. See you later, Gator.